Hey guys, and welcome back to part 2 of this Blender series where I'm drawing this clock. So in today's video, we're going to put the indentation where the hands will go, add some material colors, and add the hands. So let's get started. What I'm going to do first is copy this, Shift-E, bring it over, I'm going to scale it down a little bit, bring it in, and we're going to boolean that. Just like that. Boom. Now we can delete this. We don't need it anymore. And let's start assigning materials. So let's go into edit mode here, and let's select this face and click new color. Let's set this color to, let's see, for face of a clock, just white. So where we have it is good. Click assign, and then everything else is going to be, let's make it gold. Gold. Gold's gonna go hard. That'll work. And then click assign there. Actually, let's go into rendered view. Whoops. Back into solid. Now let's go down here and create a plane so we can have some light. Just like that. Back to cycles render and turn this into a light. Okay, so now let's back into solid view, select this, just select the face, add a new material, click new, white is what we want, and then click assign just to that face. Now if we go to render, that face is the only thing that's white. And for the bells, I think we should make them gold as well. Yeah, let's make the bells gold as well. Let's get out of edit mode. And to make the colors match perfectly, if you select first the one that you want to be changing the color. Select this one and then shift click on the color. Control L, make links and materials. Do the same thing over here. Oops. And now those are gold, and these rods we're gonna make them a little silver. So let's find the silver color right there. That's a silver. Let's see how that looks first of all. Let's make him a little glossy too, because metal is glossy. And I'm going to take the color up. And I think this we actually want to be glossy as well. Whoa, not that glossy though. Let's roughen that up. Yeah, let's not do that. It's a little too glossy. That's good. We could make these rods, I think gold will look good as well. That'll be a little easier. So let's make this back into solid mode and make these all the same color. And I have I'm basing this off of a clock that I have here, and everything is gold. So that's why I'm making everything gold. So this And the cool thing about linking the two colors is right now, if I were to change this color here to blue, everything that's gold would change to blue because they're all linked. So that's a pretty cool feature that happens whenever you link the colors. So I'm also gonna do these. Oops. Looked at the wrong one first. There we go. There we go, now everything's gold. It's a gold alarm clock. And right in the center of it, we're going to put cylinders. RX90. Okay, so let's go with the graphic. And let's center this right there. And center it right there. Yep. Little up. Perfect. And we're going to scale this down a lot. Scale it down more, just to be the post that'll be turning everything. And that looks good. So now we're going to make the hands. And to do that, we're going to use another cylinder, or actually we're going to use a cone. And it's going to be very simple hands. Actually, make these. What I'm going to do is take this down here and scale it down a little bit. Just a little more pointy. Even more. Make it a little shorter. Just like that. And let's place it on the top. Right. Right there. Now let's copy it. And let's put it just a little over. I'm going to rotate it. Oops. Rotate along the x-axis a little bit to about there. And then I'm going to make this, oops. It's Control Z, we have to pull it out whenever it's straight. Copy it, bring it over, tab, and bring it down to make it longer. I'm going to rotate along the x-axis, so right there. And just like that. So now we have the clock hands. And that's actually just a pretty simple design of the clock right there. But what we're going to do as well is add a glass face to it, because that's what all clocks have. And what I do is create a sphere, a cylinder, rotate it, and for this one, I'm going to scale it up even more. Tell it is even. Oops, 7. Whoops, I did not mean to do that. 7. Let's try to center this as much as possible. Center one's very dark. And that looks pretty good. I'm going to take it up a little more. There. Once we get that all lined up, bring it over, take the face in, make it real thin. Now, I'm going to bevel it just a little bit, put a curve on it, just like that. Now we got that, go over here to material settings, create the material, make it glass, just like that, rendered, and you'll see it's clear. Before we stick that on, let's make the hands a color that'll pop against the white background, so we're going to make these blackish. That one. That one, okay. Just like that. Now we're going to put the glass plate on. Just like that. Now we're going to copy this. Bring it up here and rotate it a little bit. It's shining a lot on the front. So now render it just really quick, just like the rough render, and make sure, of course, you don't see these. Good. Just do that, and that looks that's looking very nice. But I'd like that post in there to pop a little bit more. So to do that, I'm going to go into solid mode. Oops. Select that. So you're going to make it the same color as these. Oops. Okay, so now we got that. Look at our camera view. Of course, it's in the wrong spot, so move your camera where you want it. Get it kind of close there. And just go over a little more. Out more. What we can do to make this a little easier is select that and just do that with the plane. So this obviously needs to back up. Take it back. Even more. We got that. Going to move this over here. Scale it way up. Make this plane reappear. Rendered. Everything looks good. This plane here, though, I want to have it show. And that's the pretty simple clock. So let's go ahead, render it. It should have. Okay, that might go a little faster. Just change the settings on the graphics card. Just like that. And now let's render it and see what our final product looks like. And wow, that looks really nice. So I hope you guys learned a lot from this series, and I might do some more stuff with this clock in the future, and we'll see about that. So hope you did find this video useful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.